This jogger to the right nearly ends the run quite quickly. Wow, that was close. Always approach a zebra crossing so you could stop comfortably if anyone wants to use it. Here's a clip sent in from the US, and it shows slip roads can always cause problems, but you can usually spot the car that's going to cause the problems. Look how much space the car emerging had to actually get up to speed. I've got to get out straight away because I drive a fast car. This clip involves two cars that are going to come past shortly. The Nissan Qashqai and the black van. This must have been going on for a while for the driver of the Qashqai to put it into reverse so quickly and get going backwards. Let's play a game of obvious hazard perception. Scan around whilst you're watching the clip and see how easy it is to spot where the danger is going to come from. The approach speed and the lack of slowing down was an easy tell, but it's all okay because he said sorry using his hazard lights. This clip's not mine, but the location is somewhere that I've featured plenty of times on many of my videos. These two roundabouts are very close to Norris Green Test Centre, and many pupils hate doing them. But it's important to be switched on, just like our camera, because this cyclist is a terrible rider. Another fast moving carriageway, and another lethal overtake. Well spotted and nicely fixed by my viewer. This clip is quite similar to the last one, however I don't think this was an overtake. Did that van think that this was a dual carriageway? Let me know what you think in the comments. Is this a lack of attention, or I can't be bothered waiting? This clip again comes from Liverpool, and again it's not one of mine, but it's near the other test centre to the south of the city, in Speke. And we've got a classic must overtake a learner syndrome. We see this all the time, so we're used to it. Here's some more pointless impatience. Here's another clip from Liverpool that's not mine. Now, watch the lights change and we've got a green filter arrow. But the oncoming cars seem to get triggered off each other and start to go. Don't always assume, just because you should have priority, that you're going to get it. Yet another near head-on, this time from a cyclist perspective. Here's a mistake from a learner trying to emerge onto a roundabout. Our viewer's doing a right turn, but I can't honestly hear a right signal. So although a right signal would have helped the learner, they make the classic mistake of hoping our camera was going to go into that other road so they could emerge safely. If you're trying to emerge and you're learning to drive, slow down and change your speed until you're absolutely certain. It's no help to say I thought they were going in the other road once you've crashed. The learner is possibly expected to make a mistake, but a lorry driver is expected not to. The lorry driver fails to understand that they need to give way to both lanes. They can't just fit into the one that they're going into. Unfortunately, another terrible example of how to drive a lorry properly. Driving a foreign vehicle doesn't give you any excuse whatsoever. You just need to take more care. In this clip, my viewer berates a cyclist. Without reason, I will add.
Right. Headphones on.
Don't you shine around and get me an RI.
What is he at?
Personally, I think he's taken a sensible option if he doesn't feel safe enough or he's not able to ride. Please let me know what you think. Watch far round the corner at this silly overtake. The lorry was just giving way to the bus. This is a very late exit, and those areas, as you can see, are full of dust and debris. Your car can easily go out of control if you try this silly manoeuvre. The lights in front have been on red throughout this clip. So what I said earlier about if you should have priority doesn't always mean you'll have it. Applies to pedestrians as well. To finish, we're going to have a clip from John, and we're going to play a little game. What I'd like you to do in the comments is let me know how you think that the car that we're going to see in a moment ended up where it was. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done already, subscribing would make a massive help. Keep safe everyone, I hope to see you next time.